Hi guys, how are you all doing? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. So today we're gonna be making some nice and golden baked tilapia, okay? Yeah, we're gonna do some pepper sauce along with it, alright? So welcome back to the channel and let's get to the kitchen. I already used my lemon to wash off my fish and everything, so this is pretty much ready now. And we're gonna like let the water kind of sink out, and then we're gonna go ahead and dry our fish up and then get the ball rolling. So guys, this is our finishing touch for our tilapia. You can have it with some nice salad. Okay, your salad right there. This is hot spicy pepper. And you have your plantain, okay? Thanks for watching and you have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.